why I joined IntelliJenny. I learned about IntelliJenny from a very close friend, and this thought popped up in my mind. Wouldn't it just be amazing to be your little fascinating author? There would be no barriers to your imagination or creativity. So I convinced my mother to let me join this program. Now, coming to what I learned in my first class. I learned about the correct use of adjectives and where to imply them and how your reader will feel once you use them. Secondly, I learned about the 5 basic story elements that used in a story. The exposition, which tells you about the background and setting information. The rising action, where the hero starts to face the conflict, and the climax, where the conflict starts to get bigger and bigger. The falling action, when the conflict starts to get slowly resolved. And lastly, the resolution, where the conflict is fully resolved and also known as the end of the story. And that is all I learned, and I look forward to more IntelliJenny classes with my teacher and learning to be a great author. Thank you.